This is a capture race challenge for white. The most intuitive move in games is this move. But please remember, this almost never works when white's liberty are this tight, right? So this way, white will just be captured. That's why number 1 here doesn't work. Similarly, these moves will not work. And if you've done enough of these problems, you know a move to try is always this. It seems still pretty far apart from the white stones on the left side. Black can cut it off very easily. But because of this setup, white can actually just push black down. Black needs to block and play on the outside. And all of a sudden, black is dead. Black cannot enter from either side. And white will succeed this way. So once again, we see the magic of this diagonal move on the first line. There's nothing else black can do, right? If black plays something like this, white does not play here, right? This will be a terrible move. White can jump here, and this is a connected shape. Black cannot cut it off. There's just no way for black to cut it off. So 1 and 3, really good move. Other moves will fail. If you play here, white can just cut. This way, black cannot come in, and black is very short on liberties. So it works because these 3 stones are kind of not out there and are vulnerable, actually. So it's not a capture race against these 4 black stones on the right side. It's actually against these 3. And it's about threatening to connect back. So that's why number 1 here works. This doesn't work 100% of the times, right? If, say, black already has stones here on the outside, then this will not work, because now black can just cut it off. It's because these 3 stones are vulnerable that this works. Lastly, you should also calculate this move. Could be a good move sometimes. If black plays here, now we're back to the previous pattern where white connects. But black can play here in this situation, and white has to push, and black blocks here, sacrificing number 4. But black gets to play this Atari at number 6. Now what happens is that black just needs to occupy these stones' liberties from behind, like this. This will be a connect and die. If black plays here, then arguably white can capture these 4 stones, like this. Because this is a capture 2, recapture 1 situation, white can get these 4 stones. But if black plays here first, then these 4 white stones will be trapped. So that's why number 1 here doesn't work, because of number 2. But it is worth calculating. So once again, the correct move is this diagonal move on the first line. Always something you should calculate for. And in real games, when you see this type of situation, you just have to avoid playing intuitively here at number 1. Almost never a good move when you can see very clearly that your opponent can wedge and play all these Atari moves and capture you. So hope you find this challenge helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.